We'll guide you through how to delete your Google Play Games account. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. So for whatever reason you want to do this, perhaps you no longer use it, or there's another reason why. We're going to guide you through this. Just make sure you watch this full guide and don't skip ahead. So to get started, you need to go and swipe up. You don't need to be in the Play Store, so swipe up on your phone. We need to find settings, so you can swipe across and find it, or search for settings at the top. Then what you want to do is make sure you're on the main settings page. I'm just pressing back until we're here. Here we are. Then you want to go down, find the option for Google and tap there. Wait for this to load and we're going to press all services to the right. Then you want to come down in settings for Google Apps and go and find Play Games. Then what you want to do is you want to go and find the option for privacy and settings. Scroll down to delete profile and game data. And you then have the option for permanently delete here. So you can go and tap that there and confirm the decision and you can delete it.